location. I actually rented out a studio to film this little haul for you guys, just for something a little bit different. So obviously today I will be trying on some fits from Princess Polly. You guys know already, Princess Polly is literally one of my favorite places to shop online. Their sizing, the quality, just their pieces are just amazing, and the shipping is super quick. Because we're obviously heading into the more festive holiday season, I thought I would choose some outfits that could possibly inspire you guys to wear to like Christmas parties, Christmas Day, New Year's Eve. So yeah, lots of sparkle. There's some like more cash outfits that you can dress up by using accessories and stuff like that. As always, I do have a 20% off discount code. I'll leave it on the screen, and I'll make sure I leave all the links to all the pieces in the description box, as well as my sizes if I don't go through and tell you guys when I'm trying it on. Okay, first dress. Actually, I don't know if it's a top or a dress, but I'm wearing it as a dress. Obviously, yeah, you can wear it as a top, you can tuck it in with some jeans or a cute skirt, but I'm wearing it as a dress. It is an oversized fit, so I ended up getting an 8, so you don't need to like go up in a size to wear it as a dress. I'm obsessed. It's not too like over the top sparkly, but it definitely gives me like New Year's Eve vibes. I also got these shoes. So these are perfect, and I just love this look. And then I just paired it with this cute little bag and my little chain. I can't with this dress. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna try it on with some jeans so you can see what it looks like. Okay, here's the dress tucked in with a pair of jeans. I've just tucked in half. Still really cute. I guess it like dresses it down a little bit more if you're more of a jean and top type of gal. Really, really cute. I actually really love this dress. Okay, this top, I'm dead. It gives me peplum vibes. I just decided to keep the jeans on because I feel like the blue jeans look really nice with the pink top. I can't. That's what the back looks like. It just does up here. I'm obsessed. Okay, here's the next outfit. So I have this bustier already in pink, and I love it so much. I need to get it in the black as well. Super comfy, and yeah, like literally would go with anything. And then these are the trousers, and then the star of the show, the shoes. I literally can't. They're actually comfy considering how tall they are. It's probably because they're like a chunky sort of heel, but they look really cute with this outfit. And then I've just got my little Louis bag on my bag chain. Oh my God, okay, so I ended up getting this bustier as well. Obsessed. I couldn't choose between the two. Love this one as well. This one actually ties up with some ribbon at the back. It's got little cups here for your boobs. So flattering, and I just really love it with the pants as well. Obviously really similar, but yeah, I'm obsessed with bustiers. Okay, this top, I can't. So it's pretty much the same as the pink one, but it's got black sequins on it. Perfect for New Year's Eve. I probably wouldn't pair it with the pants. I mean, you could, it does look cute, but I don't have any other bottoms that I could pair it with. But like a cute little short mini skirt, or even like a knee-length skirt would look really cute with it. Black trousers also for like an all black look, but yeah, obsessed with this top. I can't wait to wear it. Next dress is really similar to the pink sequin one that I showed you guys first. I don't know, I'm just loving like a loose t-shirt style dress. Like, I'm obsessed with it. I ended up getting this one in a bigger size. So this one's a 14. I've paired this one with a black bag, and then the same black shoes as I was wearing before. So cute. They also do have a really cute corset that you can pair with this as well, that I saw on the website. But I love it on its own. So comfy, and yeah, I'll be wearing this to death. Oh my God, this dress. I don't think I actually own like a full length dress like this. Like, I don't think I have one in my wardrobe because I just never wear them. But this is stunning. Like, the details in it, so flattering as well. Like, I don't know, sometimes when I wear tight dresses, I feel like I'm just like hanging out everywhere, and I don't tend to really wear tight dresses. But this one is just, it just hugs you in the right places, such good quality. If I ever had like a ball or like a fancy event, this is what I'll be wearing. I've just paired it with a cute little sparkly bag. No words. Last but not least, I got this set. I'm obsessed. It's like a rippled sort of fabric. Really, really soft, really comfy. I absolutely love it. I feel like it's such a cute outfit to wear for like a Christmas lunch or like your work Christmas party if it's during the day, just something really cute, comfy. So that's everything that I got from Princess Polly. Don't forget, I do have a 20% off discount code, which I'll leave on the screen. I'll make sure, like I said, I leave all the links to everything in the description box down below. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.